everyone.
Hello.
Hello. So today I am going to tell you a story about a son and a mother. So this little kid was who used to get embarrassed because of his mother. Why? Any of us would not get embarrassed because of her mother, not at all. But he used to get embarrassed because his mother was blind. And he used to think that, do not chase me everywhere, do not come behind me. He used to think that when his mother would come and all his friends, all his classmates, all his school teachers would see her, then they would make fun of him. That look, your mother is blind. And that made him feel embarrassed and ashamed because of his mother. And so he told her to stay away from her and do not interfere any of his business. But she was a very calm lady. She worked really hard, she did support him, and this is how she showed all her emotion to him. By looking for him and doing all the tasks. She also enjoyed going to school with him because she found that I can see what my child is learning. Is he doing something new or is he performing something well? But then he was constantly barring her from everything. And then one day came where the mother worked really hard for many days, actually many years, to collect that amount of money so that her child can go abroad for his master's degree. And finally, that amount was collected and she told him to go away to abroad and do his master's degree. Both were happy, but the situations were different. The mother was happy because she could see that my son will finally become something and make something, earn something and have a good reputed status. And the child was happy because finally he thought that he was free from his mother. He thought that the poison of his life was finally away from him. And so he went away. He worked hard to get that degree and finally got it. Really happy. And there in abroad, he got married to a very beautiful lady and in a couple of years had 2 children. The mother knew about this anyhow. She used to search for him that if he's okay or not. He used to never call her. And then finally she thought that she'll be going to his place to finally meet him, meet his children and meet his wife. But when she entered there, she was stopped and the child said, "Do not try to enter my house. Do not try to scare my children. You blind, you'll make my children scared and they laugh at you and they say, 'Father, look at your mother. She looks so bad. Look at her.'" And then he asked her to get out, shoo away right now, otherwise he'll call someone. And then without speaking a word, she left away. She left to her house and then the child had some meeting in his own country and so he came there for a couple of days. So he thought that let me go to my own house just to see what's happening, just for a couple of minutes. When he went there, he saw a large crowd of people in front of his door. When he went a little forward and peeped in, he saw that his mother was dead. She was lying on the floor. And then he saw a letter in her hand. When he took out the letter and read it, it was written that, "My child, I loved you so much, and when you were a little kid, you met with an accident. And because of that, you lost your eyesight. So I told the doctor I don't want my child to live such a life. So please give him my eyes so that he can see this beautiful world with no problems." And so finally he felt guilty that the gem he had, now she had left forever, and all he had was sorrow and guilt. Thank you.